Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, no. He didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't without you and forever in a minute. That's on my night. And Tyler says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na. Havana, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, na na.
Fresh out East Atlanta with no members. Damn, fresh out East Atlanta, go like traffic jam. Man, I'm supposed to date that girl like Uncle Sam. They make it on me, they can try to crave it on me, they can eat it on me. She waited on me, then try to cake it on me, they can bake it on me. This is history, I'm making on me. Point blank, those range that speed. If it goes a million, that's me. I was getting more love than you.
Take me back, back, back.